Hi guys, my name is Patrick Law. I'm an investor and engineer in real life, and I love to play Glo-Bus. Here are the 3 most common errors. Mistake number 1. Many people configure their cameras incorrectly during product design decisions. There's a lot of random clicking. Many people want to build realistic cameras and achieve high PQ ratings, but they forget about the production costs that come with those configurations. Instead of trying to force the customer into accepting a camera design that you want, why don't you ask them what they want instead? You do this by holding the number of stars constant and trying to find the lowest total cost per unit. Have any questions? Comment below. Mistake number 2. Spending money on corporate social responsibility and citizenship investments without a hope of payout doesn't make sense for your grade point average. CSRC investments don't give you any competitive advantage except image, and some of them can cost a lot of money. Instead, if you're spending any more than 4 cents per image point at the beginning of the game on CSRC initiatives, rather save your money for investments that do increase your competitive advantage. And don't forget to continue doing whatever you did before, because investments in CSRC compound over time. Mistake number 3, selling shares. Selling too many shares decreases your earnings per share and return on equity for every round, which will negatively impact your overall score at the end of the game. It's important to issue shares judiciously and not to sell all of them, as selling a lot of shares will make it almost impossible to get a very high score. If you want to grow, consider using a healthy amount of debt. So these are the 3 most common mistakes that people make in Glo-Bus.